grass as far as you can see. Grass, 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 grass. And of course here, the caravan. Grass, 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 grass. And Topsie has a lot of ticks at the moment. So what are we gonna do? I went to the store and I bought first a necklace over 8 kilograms against ticks and fleas. But fleas, he doesn't have a problem. I don't think it's a season. And then also sheep fat. Weet je? Graisse de mouton. Grease from sheep. Ah yeah. It's only the garlic. This is just for the heart and blood. Yeah, but I'm gonna give this one and one today. And he has already 2 ticks and Topsie. Topsie is not a guy that you can untick. What are the farmers doing? What do you think? Collecting grass. Grass, 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 grass. And I need to put it on the dog, eh? It's not a good dog. Oh, it smells chemical. Oké. Hey. En blijf, hè. Nee, nee. Nee, nee, come. I can almost use it twice. Keep it the full length. Yeah. Now we're gonna wash my hands and then Topsie gets candy. Wacht, hè. Rustig, hè. Yeah, it's very garlicky. This is crazy. I just found myself a closed camping. I called the owner and it was okay to stay a night. Today it is witloof. Chicory, and the dog likes it. Check it. Hey. Yep. Yipla. Let's check out the potatoes. I'm almost out of mayo. No porto today. I drank too much yesterday. don't have a fun morning. A little bit of salt. Don't do that first, because then you dry out the meat. A little bit more butter and bake it together. De dog eats. Wachten, hè? Nee, wachten. Wachten. Kijk.